broker claims unlimited leverage. But is Exness really legit? Let me show you the pros, the risks, and everything you need to know about Exness. Quick introduction. I've explored and tested Exness for years, and this is my honest, realistic Exness review. I'll break down key aspects like Exness's history, regulations, trading platforms, fees, what makes them unique, the pros and cons, and my personal opinion. Stay tuned until the end. I've got some exclusive bonuses for you, especially if you're an aspiring young billionaire trader. Quick history of Exness. Exness was founded in 2008 and quickly became one of the world's most trusted brokers, known for transparency, innovation, and fast execution. With over 17 years of experience, they have built a solid reputation globally. Can you trust Exness with your money? Yes. Exness is licensed and regulated by multiple global authorities, including also UK, FCA, Cyprus, SEC, South Africa, FSCA, Seychelles, FSA, Jordan, JSE. These regulators ensure that client funds are segregated, meaning your money is kept separate from company funds. Exness entities are also part of compensation schemes that can protect your funds up to a certain amount if the broker goes bankrupt. What makes Exness unique? 1. Unlimited leverage in some regions. Trade big with customizable leverage up to 1 to unlimited. 2. Instant withdrawals and deposits. Over 150 plus payment methods, 98% processed instantly. 3. Stable spreads, even during the high volatility events on major instruments like gold and Forex. 4. Wide range of assets, Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and exotic pairs. 5. Advanced platforms, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Exness Web Terminal, and the Exness mobile app available on App Store and Play Store. 6. User-friendly interface, clean design with professional branding. 7. Diverse account types, for all levels including cent, raw spread, and zero accounts. 8. Partnership program, make money as a signal provider or Forex educator. 9. Precise execution, fast and efficient trade placements. Ready to get started? Click the link below or check the pinned comment to sign up with Exness and unlock all these benefits. Pros of Exness. 1. Low minimum deposit. Start trading from just $10. It used to be as low as $3. 2. Tight spreads, starting from 0.3 pips on standard accounts. 3. 24/7 multilingual support, helpful and responsive customer service. 4. Free VPS hosting, ideal for automated trading strategies. 5. Copy trading, great for passive income. 6. Wide availability, accessible in Africa, Asia, and some parts of Europe. Like this video if you're getting value so far. Cons of Exness. 1. Not available in some regions like the USA, Canada, parts of Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. 2. Leverage complexity. Unlimited leverage can be confusing for beginners. 3. Limited educational resources. Most are promotional. I contacted support and they confirmed improvements are on the way. 4. High leverage risk. I've experienced it firsthand. Thankfully, the support team responded professionally and acknowledged it's a work in progress. My final honest opinion. Exness provides a powerful trading environment with instant withdrawals, unlimited leverage, and top-tier platforms. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced traders, as long as you understand the risks, especially with high leverage. Let's be real, no broker is perfect, but Exness is doing a great job trying to be. If I had to rate them, I'd give Exness a 9 out of 10. And also don't forget that no Forex broker is perfect. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up using my partner link and unlock all these benefits. Or go to exness.com/𝐶𝐷Q000 to explore everything yourself. Comment where you're watching from and feel free to drop any questions. Bonus for watching till the end. Because you stayed until the end, I'm giving you access to a paid Forex strategy course absolutely free. Join my Telegram channel using the link in the description or pinned comment. Inside, you'll find the pinned message with access to the course. I also share trade setups, market updates, weekly guides, motivation of Forex signals. So don't miss out. Before you leave, like, subscribe, and comment. Aspiring Forex Young Billionaire. Keep grinding. I'll be dropping more useful content on this channel. Don't give up. I believe in you. Keep pushing. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.